Hello, amazing viewers! Today, we're diving into the world of chia seeds and uncovering some surprising facts that might just turn your health routine upside down. Let's get started. First off, did you know chia seeds are not actually seeds at all? That's right, they're actually the fruit of the Salvia hispanica plant. This surprising fact alone can change your perspective on this superfood. In addition to being a delicious and versatile ingredient, chia seeds pack a serious nutritional punch. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, an essential nutrient for our bodies that most people don't get enough of from their diet. Chia seeds also offer a significant boost in fiber. One serving can provide up to 10 grams of fiber, that's almost half your daily recommended intake. This high fiber content can help support digestive health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. But here's the shocking part: chia seeds may not be as hyped up as they seem in terms of weight loss or management. While they might help fill you up due to their high fiber content, there isn't much evidence to support their effectiveness for weight loss or control beyond that. So, don't rely on chia seeds alone to shed those extra pounds. Maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise is key to achieving your fitness goals. Remember, these tiny seeds are just a part of a healthy lifestyle. They can be an excellent addition to your diet, but shouldn't be relied upon as the sole solution for weight management or control. And there you have it, the truth about chia seeds. Remember, a balanced diet and lifestyle choices are key to good health. If you found this video useful or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating health facts and tips.